I'm Mark Cavanaugh for Cavi Coaches, and today I'm going to coach you up on using a bowling ball and a rubber mallet to demonstrate Newton's laws. So first what we're going to do is we're going to lay out a course. So I laid a course out in my driveway. So let's take a look at that course. So you can see we start at a start-finish box and we go down the aisle and we can see we make a 90-degree turn. At which point we enter this circle where we're going to navigate around this bowling ball. We're going to go completely around it one time and then have to go another half time around to continue through to the straightaway. And you can see once you reach this line, you're going to reach what's called the no touch zone, which means you're not allowed to touch the bowling ball during that time. Then you're going to navigate this other right turn, and then you're going to stop the ball completely when you get to the second start finish line. So a couple things I want you to notice is pay attention to what happens and how I hit the bowling ball as it speeds up. How about as it slows down? Pay attention to which way I'm hitting it as it goes around the other bowling ball. Then what happens to the motion of the bowling ball as it rolls through the no touch zone. And then to get it to stop moving in a direction, to change its directions in 90 degrees. And then to get it to come to a complete stop. So let's take a look at those again. So pay attention to this clip where I'm causing it to speed up. And at the end, when I get it to slow to a stop. Now, which way am I hitting it in relationship to the bowling ball I'm navigating around to get it to go around the circle? Look at how the ball moves as it rolls through the no touch zone. What did I have to do to get it to navigate that second right angle? And what did I have to do to get it to stop in the start finish box? All right, so let's first discuss the bowling ball as it rolls through the no touch zone. So what you should have noticed, and you probably did notice, is that the ball moves at a constant speed. So what's going on here is that the bowling ball is moving at a constant speed. This is an application of Newton's first law. So Newton's first law tells us that an object in motion is going to stay in motion with a constant speed until acted upon by an outside force. Or if we look at the beginning or end, that an object that's at rest will stay at rest. So overall, Newton's first law, an object in motion will stay in motion, or an object at rest will stay at rest until acted upon by an outside force. So that means, what does that mean? The bowling ball is not going to move until I hit it with the rubber mallet to begin with. And the other part is that that ball is going to continue to move at a constant speed until something else comes in contact with it. So once it leaves the no touch zone, I hit it with the rubber mallet again to cause its speed to change. Now we also have an application of another one of Newton's laws. So watch this clip here. So you can see as I'm hitting the ball at the beginning, the ball is speeding up. And then as I go to make the turn, the ball slows down when I hit it in the opposite direction of motion. What this is an application of Newton's second law. The second law states that if there is a net force acting on an object, then the object will accelerate. Net force causes an object to speed up, as you saw in the beginning, or if you apply that net force opposite to the direction of motion, then it slows to a stop. What is a net force? Well, a net force is a force that is unbalanced. An unbalanced force means that there's a force going in one direction and then there's not a force opposing that force. So as the rubber mallet is hitting the bowling ball, there's nothing opposing it going the other direction, so the bowling ball speeds up. When I apply the force an opposite direction to the motion, there's nothing opposing it keeping the bowling ball pushing and moving, so therefore the bowling ball slows to a stop. Now let's take a look at this clip. Notice that as the ball rolls around the circular path, which way did I hit the ball? I was hitting the moving bowling ball towards the stationary bowling ball. So I was constantly pushing the bowling ball or hitting the bowling ball to get it to move in a circular path by hitting it towards the center or towards the other bowling ball. So as that bowling ball is changing direction, it's also, remember, changing velocity because the velocity depends on both speed and direction. So as the bowling ball is going around a circular path, it might be moving at a constant speed, it might not be, but the important thing is we know that it's accelerating. The force that is causing it to accelerate, again, is an application of Newton's second law. There's a net force or an unbalanced force directed towards the center of that circular path. So here's a real-world application of Newton's laws. I hope you have a great day and an even better tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button down below and subscribe to my channel, Cavi Coaches, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter @CaviCoaches.